Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you hey okay? Merry Christmas to you all. Merry Christmas. You know, I could have never go by without coming to say Merry Christmas to you and your families. Okay? Not you, just you alone. And this Merry Christmas is coming from me, Camera Girl, and the rest of my family. You might not know everybody, but someday down the line. It is coming from our Jamaican home to wherever you are. You're Canadian, you're American, you're Surinamese, you're Netherlands, everywhere, every single where. All my Caribbean people, my Trinidad, them, my Jamaican people too. It's just a blessed 2018 Christmas, okay? And it's the second one for me with you, and I just want to thank you. I want to thank you for allowing me to come inside your homes, and I want to thank you for really embracing the Jamaican cooking journey. I want to thank you so much for your love. I want to thank you for your support on YouTube, your love, and also those of you who have gone beyond YouTube to reach out to me in different ways. I want to thank you so much. You know yourselves. We just want to say blessings, peace, and at all times, manners and respect. Hope you're having a beautiful Christmas. Hope you're cooking lots and lots of Jamaican food. I am waiting on those pictures. I am waiting on them. I know you're a lot of you who never baked before. I know so someone nail the black cake and the sorrel this year. Tell me about it in the comments below. I honestly am not cooking. I'm tired. Your girl tired. I'm just relaxing. But me I go cook for New Year's, man. I go show you how my Jamaican breakfast table look and how my Jamaican dinner table look. I wanted to do it for Christmas, but I was just tired. So I just chill and just, you know, gain some strength, and I'm gonna give you New Year's breakfast table and probably New Year's dinner table. If you'd like for me to do that, comment below. So it's just thanks, and hope you're enjoying yourself. Hope you know how to take it easy. Hope you know, just have a blessed time with the family. Okay, that's what I'm saying. And so on behalf of Camera Girl and the rest of my family, so it's just from my Jamaican home to wherever you are. It's just love you so much. Bye.